Move-in ready and fully furnished, this Rangeley retreat features a private stream, picnic pavilion, and easy access to slopes and downtown. Nestled on over 7 private acres along peaceful Mingo Loop Road, the property provides the perfect balance of privacy, outdoor adventure, and convenience. Flow seamlessly for entertaining or family gatherings. Natural wood finishes and log accents throughout the home celebrate rustic charm, while modern touches like the fully equipped kitchen and comfortable furnishings ensure easy living. The 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms provide flexibility for family, guests, or rental use. The full dry basement offers additional space for storage, a hobby room, or a recreational area. An on-demand generator adds peace of mind during winter storms or power outages. Step outside to enjoy the 7+acres of forested land, where a small stream winds through the property and a picnic pavilion provides the perfect spot for outdoor meals or relaxing with a book. The deck overlooks the lawn and natural surroundings, creating a tranquil backdrop for morning coffee or evening sunsets. An oversized two-car garage with a third drive-through overhead door and adjacent carport ensures ample space for vehicles, snowmobiles, or recreational equipment. From this home, outdoor adventures are just minutes away, including skiing at Saddleback, golfing, snowmobiling, and exploring downtown Rangeley and Oquossoc. Combining rustic charm, modern convenience, and exceptional location, this Rangeley log home offers a lifestyle of privacy, recreation, and relaxation, ready for you to move in and enjoy immediately.